Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magagandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. So ito yung 1 piso natin guys na si Dr. Jose Rizal, at balikan lang natin ang kanyang mga nagawa na magaganda. Ito ang kanyang short biography of Jose Rizal, National Hero of the Philippines. Jose Rizal was a patriot, physician, and man of letters whose life and literary works were an inspiration to the Philippine nationalist movement. At ito ang kanyang early life. Dr. Jose Patricio Rizal was born in the town of Calamba, Laguna on June 19, 1861. He was the second son and 7 among 11 children of Francisco Mercado and Teodora Alonso. With his mother as his first teacher, he began his early education at home and continued in Binyan, Laguna. He entered the Jesuit-run Ateneo Municipal de Manila in 1872 and obtained a bachelor degree with highest honors in 1876. He studied medicine at the University of Santo Tomas in Manila, but had to stop because he felt that the Filipino students were being discriminated against by their Dominican tutors. He then went to the Universidad Central de Madrid in Spain in 1885. At the age of 24, he finished his course in philosophy and later with a grade of excellent. He took graduate studies in Paris, France, and Heidelberg, Germany. He also studied paintings, sculptures. He learned to read and write in at least 10 languages. Rizal's books took a stand that put him in danger. Rizal was a prolific writer. He opposed violence but battled injustice using his pen. Rizal 2 books, Noli Me Tangere, sa Latin Touch Me Not, which he wrote while he was in Berlin, Germany in 1887, and El Filibusterismo, sometimes called the Reign of Greed, in Ghent, Belgium in 1891, exposed the cruelties of the Spanish friars in the Philippines that depicts of the Spanish administration and the vices of the clergy. These 2 books told about the oppression of the Spanish colonial rule and they made Rizal a marked man to the Spanish friars. Philippines, he formed La Liga Filipina, a non-violent society of patriotic citizens. It was a forum for Filipinos to express their hopes for reforms and promote progress through commerce, industries, and agriculture. The Spanish authorities perceived the Liga as a threat and arrested Rizal. On July 6, 1892, he was imprisoned in Fort Santiago on the charge of instigating unrest against Spain. He was exiled to Dapitan in the northwestern Mindanao. During the 4 years he remained in political exile in Dapitan, he practiced medicine, established a school for boys, and promoted community development projects. He applied his knowledge in engineering by constructing a system of waterworks for furnish clean water to the townspeople. In Dapitan, he also met, fell in love with, and lived with Josephine Bracken. In 1896, the Katipunan and Nationalist Secret Society launched a revolt against the Spaniards. Although Jose Rizal had no connection with the organization, his enemies tried to link him with the revolt to avoid being involved in the move to start the revolution. He asked Governor Ramon Blanco to send him to Cuba. But instead he was brought back to Manila and jailed for the second time in Fort Santiago. He was executed at the age of 35 on December 26, 1896. After a trial, Rizal was convicted of rebellion, sedition, and forming an illegal association. He was sentenced to death on the eve of his execution. While confined in Fort Santiago, Rizal wrote a poem, Mi Ultimo Adios, my last farewell. He hid it inside a portable alcohol stove. He gave the stove to his sisters Trinidad and his wife Josephine. He was executed on December 30, 1896 at the age of 35 by firing squad of Bagumbayan, now known as Lunita Park in Manila. Jose Rizal was a man of many accomplishments, a linguist, a novelist, a poet, a scientist, a doctor, a painter, an educator, a reformer, and a visionary. He left his people his greatest patriotic poem, Mi Ultimo Adios, to serve as an inspiration for the next generation. His contributions to the science. Rizal found Mindanao a rich virgin field to collecting specimens in his baruto or sailboat, and accompanied by his pupil, he explored the jungle and coast seeking a specimen of insects, birds, snakes, lizards, frogs, shells, and plants. He sent this specimen to the Museum of Europe, especially the Dresden Museum. In payments for these valuable specimens, the European scientists sent him scientific books and surgical instruments. During his 4 years of exile in Dapitan, Rizal discovered some rare specimens which were named in his honor by the scientists. So yun guys, wala talagang katulad si Jose Rizal. Siguro, mayroon na naman sigurong sisibol na panibago kung magkakaroon na naman tayo ng gera. Yan ang tinatawag na World War III. Sana wag matuloy kasi mahirap na magkatuloy, saan tayo pupulutin yan. So magdasal tayong lahat guys na walang mangyaring kaguluhan sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Ang kanyang pictures guys is year Philippines, period Republic 1946, type standard circulation coin, year 1972 hanggang 1974, value 1 peso, currency piso 1967 ang date, composition nickel brass 70% copper, 18% zinc, 12% nickel. May timbang siya na 14.45 grams. Kanyang diameter 33 mm at ang kanyang thickness 2.17 mm. May shape siya na round. Ang thickness is mild. Orientation coin alignment. Na-demonetize na ito noong January 2, 1998. Number A number 3749. Ang reference number KM number 203. Yansyo number 39. At ito ang kanyang obverse guys, ang coat of arms of the Philippines, script Latin, lettering Republika ng Pilipinas, Bangko 1972 1974. Ito ay 1974 to guys. Merong sa dulo ay central. Sa translation guys, Republic of the Philippines. At ito naman kanyang reverse guys, head of Jose Rizal facing left. May script siya na Latin guys. Ang lettering piso, may denomination na 1. Jose Rizal at FG. Engraver nito ay si Frank Gasparro. Age is rated mint United States Denver mint 1906 ang date. At United States San Francisco mint 1854 ang kanyang date. So ito guys 1974 guys, mayroong proof siya na 1.9% at ang kanyang sample is 10,000 pieces ang proof. So meron ding 1974 guys na ang 38% lang ang nilabas sa out of 65 million 2,175 examples ng kanyang mintage. So meron tong grado na 13 pesos guys ang good, at ang very good 13 din, fine 14 pesos, at very fine 30 pesos. Meron ring extra fine na 34, at ang about uncirculated is 41. So galing yan sa inumista.com guys. So ang bintahan dito guys ay 350 guys hanggang 550 pataas kung mayroong magagandang klase at mayroong mga error guys. Galing yan sa inumista.com guys at sa selling platform natin sa Carousel. So maraming salamat sa panonood guys, at huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos tungkol sa mga barya. God bless ating lahat.